Yeah, so this is like multi-table, and we have one more problem here. Definitely we have NA because this the details are different. See here, 275 the invoice number end, it 275 in the between. Then this is a one more problem. So one is like look from the different tables. One more thing like lookup value is not correct. See here, two things are there. How can you address this? Definitely a name will come because the 275 is here. Then data 275 universal within bracket. Yeah, this is one more challenge. So how to do that? Harish, your answer is correct. Okay, multi-table thing. But now we have one more challenge. Okay, two challenges to address this now. How can you do that?
So only 275, like no, we can give star 275.
Super, very good. That's all. Okay, so we need to do the wild card.
Wild card, yes.
So what we need to do here? 275 is the right side, right? So right formula you need to use that. I'll do separately. Okay, so I'll do here separately. First you need to do whether uh, see 275. This we need to do as a lookup here. So 275 is the end, right? So what we need to do here? So here star end 275. Okay, 275 not only but not here the end, but there in the source data with the middle, right? So again and united comma you need to think put like this. Then we'll get this cell. Okay. Now see here 275 is the end, but the data 275 is the between, right? Middle, right? Contains. So this contains 275. So we for that we need to use star like this, star 275 star like this we need to get. For this we need to search like this. Avoid cards, star, it be in between star you will put the invoice number. So for that I use this. See here. So why it called so important? So important. So any questions now? Clear this? Just understand. Otherwise, please tell me if you have any questions. I can go through.
We can, sir,
Yeah,
check one second, sir, with this.
yeah. So
This right one I am clear. The star after that you put and I'm also clear with that. But this
yeah.
initial first one I'm not getting it, sir.
See, this is a lookup value. Lookup value will to this. Under lookup table here. Okay. Now lookup value is in the no lookup table. First column is a lookup column, but the structure is not same. 275 invoice number the end. This is 275 is the between. So using wild cards and that means that invoice number we need to put between stars. So what we need to do here? Suppose 275 we get through
Wildcard.
right formula. Okay. Then
Okay.
inverted comma star inverted comma. Okay. This first star and select this and put and again. So star and close inverted comma star inverted comma. See it will like this manually I put this is a true formula I can see here.
Mm-hmm.
Thing here I put through right formula I got the 275 and the left
Mm-hmm.
right put the star. So this is the my lookup value. So lookup value wherever it is you should get from here identify.
Okay. Okay,
So
sir.
that's how it is. It is come here now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good. You understood this now? Any questions? Now, same thing. I need to do copy here. Okay. Then if error, comma, paste again. Okay. See here the second if error. What is the table here? So table from n to say r. Okay. Now go here. So we go to n. This lookup value. Lookup. Yeah. N to r. N. Sorry. N to r. You see all the after we got. So this is how many tables we have. Suppose one more table we need to refer. Then we need to go for one more refer. So third table you can refer here. Then from fourth table one more referral like that. So all how many tables we need to look at. So many tables we need to continuously we need to get referral and get to look up again. So these are two challenges.
And in the VLOOKUP, what is the last one selected data to B1?
So same lookup. Say suppose if you get an error here, okay, we need to use a error. Again, we'll same you look up, but table selection should be here. So I need to change only table.
No, that I got it.
Yeah.
No, my question is not that, Anand. Just go back to that formula. Okay, in the end we use the false or true, no? So in that case we have something else here.
No. Sorry. I think it's zero. I need to put 1 second. You're right. Look up. 1 second. Lookup value is this. Table array is this. Column index this. So this is not correct. So yeah. 2, 0. 0 is the input. 0. By mistake I selected something else. 0 input. Correct, no Kata? This is the question, right?
Yes,
Yeah. I got confused actually.
No, 0 only. You are right. By mistake, I got selected. So you do for all the columns. We just copy paste. That's all. But only focus is if error and wildcards. So in the formula list, so wildcards and where is the if error? If error. So this is the formula we used. Okay. So this combinations.
And both the tables headers should be same, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise
Same.
we have to go for a count. Okay.
Same form. Same, but only the table array should change. That's all. Only table array change. The rest are same.
Okay.
Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Very, very
Sir,
important. Yes, ma'am.
sir, I tried doing it, but it says that I have entered too many arguments. I don't know where exactly I'm going. What am I
Just,
missing?
just
I'm just cross-checking the same thing, sir.
no. Did you get first form? First we look up.
Wait, sir, I
Just the first we look up did. You,
without the error, right, sir?
yeah. See it like this. Okay. So first we look up. Finish it first. See here.
I got
Only one we look up.
no. It also gave me the same error,
No,
sir.
check the formula. See here, star, you need to ensure, so the star should be, it's an
Yes, sir, I got it. I got it,
Ah.
first one.
Now, thou copy till equal sign, don't say, then go to if,
Mhm.
okay, then comma, then put the formula.
Okay.
So then here table column is only second table column is changed. Second
Yes.
table column N to R, right? So go
Yes, sir.
so
That is
yeah,
good.
N to R need to change.
Yes, sir. Done that one.
That's all. Result.
Okay, sir. I'll just do 1 second.
Yeah,
I got it, sir. First one.
good. So another 10 minutes.
Anand,
Yeah. Yes, Kanta.
hello.
Yes,
Anand,
Kanta.
if this column D is repeating in the both the tables, what happens, Anand? Like it will pick the first one only, right?
No. See,
If some of these are like duplicated.
no, again, like, we, previous class we said, math formula.
No, not the header.
Hmm.
Not the header.
Hmm.
Suppose lookup value.
This one. So that's
Yeah, this.
there's a next topic. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely duplicate records. We'll do that. Good question, but already is in the next question is not on.
Okay.
So this anyone has any questions in this wildcards and if error for the multiple tables and partial lookup value.
So wildcard, we only use a star here. Do we have other option also? No? Like.
Only one. This is the one.
Okay.
Partial. And we can do this also. Question mark also. Question mark also. That's also wild card, right? Say star is pick the contains, right? Whatever the looking value that contains in the source table. But question mark, we have the doubt of the character, right? So suppose people say INV, okay? Then I and O is there. V and O changes, but I have a doubt. See, people like INV and INO. Okay. Now, when you to refer INV and INO, since my spelling is difficult, I mean changing, this changing part, instead of character, we need to put question mark, that's all. So IN only refer, but V and O will be, anything will be considered. I'll give the example for that, okay. So can we go to next one? Duplicate.
Yes, Anand.
Yeah. So now see here, 275 here, and 275 there. Only one example I can show here. See here, 275, so 275. Here also 275 is there, again 275 is there. When you do the VLOOKUP, I'll do it. Now, see the error. We look up here, comma 2, comma 0. Okay. Now, this 275 ABC company. So here I will change the XYZ. But still, I get the first result only. I don't get the second result. This is the problem for the duplicate class. But this 275 ABC company, one more 275 I generated, but for the ABC company. But instead of XYZ, I get the same record. We look at from the top to bottom. First value will pick always. Second, suppose if second value is there here, but this will be ignored from the source data. Okay, always see here, 275 second time. Formula will not recognize the second time. Formula will always look at the top. The minute lookup value find the lookup table the top first one, that same will get the result. Then formula will ignore other. Okay, so that is the reason we always get the first record. Now question is, first record should come first. Second record, if it is there, I need to get the second record only. So how can I get the second record? I'll highlight here also. So that was the question asked by Kanta also. So this is the case. How can you address this? I think you have the idea. Just think it. Even value also different, so I can get the value also. So we look up here. Okay, then so I don't refer anything, so you need to take care of that. So but you need to do 1 2 3 4 4 0. See here, 3340, again 3340. This is first value. Second value is different, 3146. But I need to get 3146 here. Okay, but not 3340 for the first record. But I need the second record result only for the second record. First result, first record, first result. Second record, second result from the source table. How do you get this? Think in a minute. Otherwise, I'll start in a minute. You need to think.
So I don't know, but we'll be using if formula only, no sir, here?
How you can use the formula?
No, I'm just trying to think, sir.
Okay,
If my first condition is met for this, then it can go for a second condition and look for a value. If it is there, then it will give me.
But how can you write?
That is what.
Good thought. Okay. How can you write first record, second record? How can you think? Correct. Very good. But how can you recognize? See, you can read first, second, but you need to make understand.
Row number, sir. Can I give row number?
Row number. How do you know the second record place? First record, maybe somewhere else. See here, so 275 is the record. Okay, maybe not only one record, two record, three, maybe records, but still it should work.
Sir, I think we can use COUNTIF here.
Yeah. Good. So we need to make, see, whatever the formula you need. I told you in the basic Excel. Formula will not deviate concepts at any point of time. VLOOKUP should not have the duplicate records. That is the underlying statement. Should not duplicate records. So that means what? You need to make though the
What's unique?
duplicate records, we need to make unique. Whether lookup value or source table, we need to make unique. That's the thing. When you think that the concept, this you get the idea. So unique records, how can you make unique there? How can you make unique here? Then we need to address this. As Harish said, we need to make unique by countif. But countif is
So meeting will end in 1 minute, I guess.
yeah. Okay. We'll correct. Meeting is going to close 1 minute, so we'll join back and I will start. Okay. By the time think. Okay. And we'll again, then we'll start. Yeah. Very interesting one. We'll do that.